Hello and welcome people, thanks for joining me again today. And today I'm going to be travelling from one side of Bangkok to the other to Khaosan Road. It's supposed to be a nice road, a short road, only 410 metres long, was constructed in 1892 during the reign of Rama V. The police motorbikes here. We've got about 4 good ones, the rest are little scooters. CBR, only a 300. Decided not to take the taxi, we took the train and now we're just going to take the boat across, down the river. It's more expensive but I've got a few hours to kill, so we're just taking our time. Just to go along the river, it's 30 baht. They used to do a free boat, you could just get on and off. I don't know if they still do that. I tried to ask them, but once you ask here they just say, oh, you got to pay. But hopefully they still do it. Put in the comments if you know if they still do the free boat or not. So we just got to wait for it. It's a little bit choppy, not too bad. Hopefully it should be a smooth ride across. A couple of other boats are gone, we're just waiting for ours. They've called us to this point and we're just waiting for the boat to turn up before they call us down to the bottom dock. So this is our one coming in now. But hopefully it's not too rough. And you got some really beautiful views. I remember somewhere along there is a couple of shopping centres, but I can't remember where, but we're not going to them today. They might be further up. And I'm glad there's not too many people and I've managed to get a window seat, because it's still really hot even though it's a bit cloudy today.
วัดอรุณสำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือวัดอรุณวัดอรุณ For passengers alighting here, please stand by at the exit. โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier. วัดระฆังและไปพระบรมมหาราชวังได้ที่ท่าเรือนี้ Next pier ท่าช้าง Change here for วัดระฆัง ferry Alight here for the Grand Palace
The Phraya River. On the basins of Chao Phraya River rose the earliest civilizations in the Southeast Asia, most notably the ancient Mon Kingdom and the civilization of Varavati from the 7th century to the 11th century. The river played a crucial role in the Lavo Kingdom that existed on its left bank in the upper Chao Phraya Valley, and then maintained its role in the kingdoms that succeeded the Lavo Kingdom. It formed the basis of the Ayodhya Kingdom, which was later incorporated into the Ayutthaya Kingdom in the 14th century, which itself was a precursor of modern Thailand, known formally as Siam. The river became very significant after the establishment of Khaosan, Bangkok, in 1782 on its east bank. The location of Bangkok on the east bank of Chao Phraya River ensuring protection for Siam from the Burmese invasions coming from the west.
สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือท่าช้าง For passengers alighting here please stand by at the exit โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier
So it's actually about 3 or 4 boats all joined together.ต่อไปมหาราชผู้โดยสารสามารถไปท่าพระจันทร์ได้ที่ท่าเรือนี้สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ Next pier มหาราช Alight here for ท่าพระจันทร์ For passengers alighting here please stand by at the exit โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier. ท่าเรือต่อไปพรานนกผู้โดยสารสามารถไปวังหลังสิริราชได้ที่ท่าเรือนี้สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ Next pier พรานนก Alight here for วังหลังสิริราช For passengers So I think this next one is my stop, so let's make our way to the back, get ready to get off the boat. This is quite strange, getting off the boat you've got to go through an alleyway and they've turned it into a market. Loads of clothes and bric-a-brac and little things. One way to move the table without a van, just go lugging it around. Hang your trousers up. A lot of people sleeping under the bridges there. So, a lot of homeless. When you got like great big posh places like that right over there next to it. So I'm a bit worried. I think I've got to get across this bridge tomorrow, but I can't see any footpath. Don't know if there's a bit underneath it, but I'm sure I've got to go up and over it. I might have to Google it. I'm going to get across there. Now that's what you call a wiring job. Go. So I managed to get across that dangerous road and I think we're nearly there. It's looking a bit rough, a lot of graffiti and rubbish. Some little pizza bar there. Embark to use the toilet. We got eyes on you, boy. Eyes on you, Sonny Jim. And there we go, we found the hotel, come out straight by it. So, yeah, and that's it, we've made it to the hotel. Join me in my next video to find out we might have booked the worst hotel in the whole of Bangkok.